Hi, welcome traders. Welcome back to JJP Trading Academy. In this video, we are going to see a new updated version indicator right now and the combo offer we are going to update today. So in the previous video, continuously we are posting the related updates about according to our indicators as well as these are the indicators updates videos and you can see the automated trading strategy. Previously we have posted many updates up in our YouTube channel. If you have not watched these videos, kindly watch this video, then only you can understand how the automated strategy is working perfectly in live market as well as how the strategy is giving the strategy backtest according to till now how the market reacted, and according to that only we are going to do the investment. So previous full backtest seeing and implementing the strategy is more good, as well as if you are doing any strategy blindly, don't do like that. First of all, do a strategy like a strategy and make the backtest of the previous historical market, then only you can understand how the strategy is working. First of all, if you are working for a month and if you ended with the loss, it's your risk. So before itself entering into the strategy, we need to calculate the risk of the strategy and how much reward this strategy is going to give yearly wise. So no strategy can give good accuracy in day by day or week by week. You should see the long term investment for stock market, so that only we have given the full update of our automated strategy, which will be giving you the full backtest till now in historical market. So if you have not watched the previous videos, I wish every traders to watch the previous videos, then only you can understand how the strategy is working. So more than 67% accuracy we are giving through the strategy. So if you have not watched this video, you can see this is one of the post.
Hi traders, this is live market 10/11/2022. So today we have included our JJP 3 minutes time frame automated strategy. So for this strategy today it has taken 4 trades in Bank Nifty index. So Bank Nifty index, the first trade has been taken for sell entry and other 3 trades has been taken for buy entry. So this strategy is giving almost 67% accuracy for.
So 67% accuracy is not that much easy thing. So for this we have worked more than 2 years. We have worked with the strategies, most of the strategies we have turned on, and finally we came up with this best accuracy strategy, almost 7%. So previously we have worked with in our Tradingview profile itself more than 100 indicators we have done, and now as per our hard work we got a good strategy for Bank Nifty, and we are updating the strategy backtest in our Telegram channel. I wish every traders to join our Telegram channel and see how the strategy is performing month by month. So month by month performance result also we have given in our Telegram channel. So month by month the strategy will be varying. So most of the strategies if we are seeing per year, this year it will be giving a good result, and another year it will not be good result. So like this the strategy will be varying month by month also, so that every strategy whatever we post, we will be doing the month by month research and we will be posting in our Telegram channel. So according to that only we are going to invest. Almost 67% accuracy this strategy is giving with 8.6 points achieved in 176 trading days. So this is what the 3 minute strategy. So right now in this video we are going to see the new updated combo version of this indicator. So I wish to share the screen for Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty 3 minutes time frame. Right now I am just going to include our JJP Bank Nifty 3 minutes ultra combo indicator. So this will be giving you the strategy backtest, as well as this strategy will be working as an indicator also. If you are a indicator JJP Moneymaker indicator trader, so previously we have posted. So you can watch our JJP Moneymaker indicator how it is performing. If you are a manual trader, no need to do automation, then you can go with our JJP Moneymaker indicator. So this is just an buy sell signal, easy buy sell signal recommendation. If you are new to trading, or if you don't know how to make any entries according to the strategy, this will be giving you good high accuracy signals to buy and sell. According to this, it will be also giving you the strike price selection. So these are all the videos according to our JJP Moneymaker indicator. So if you purchase this indicator from our service, we will be giving you another combo indicator, which will be JJP Bank Nifty 3 minutes ultra combo indicator. This indicator will be combined with the strategy as well as an indicator. So first of all, I will be including with 3 minutes time frame. So this strategy will be working only with Bank Nifty. So according to the Bank Nifty 3 minutes time frame strategy only we have built this, but this strategy is included with the indicator also. So a basic sell signal and buy signal will be coming, and sell exit, buy exit, everything will be coming as per the JJP moneymaker indicator. So once you get access with the JJP moneymaker indicator, right now you will be getting the free indicator JJP Bank Nifty 3 minutes ultra indicator with the strike price selection also. So first of all, I will be giving an explanation about the settings. In the settings, you can see an option called indicators. So if you include this, you will be seeing as an sell signal, buy signal, everything. If you just want to see our if you want to use this indicator as a normal manual indicator, no need to work as an automation or a strategy. If you no need to work as a strategy, then you can disable the signal labels as well as you can decide the trades on chart. So then you'll not be getting the trades on chart, so only you'll be getting the labels for entry. So whenever you are getting the entry, at that time itself you should place the entry. This is not just like after confirmation. So after the confirmation only this signal will be coming. So once you get the signal for labels for sell entry, you can go for sell entry, and once you get a sell exit, you can do exit the position. Otherwise you can fix the target also. So default we have given a target also. I will be showing you in the replay mode. So if you go with the replay mode, you can see. So for this sell entry, you can see the target will be here and the stop loss will be 220 points as per the strategy result only we have given. So if you have not seen the JJP 3 minutes time frame strategy performance video, you just see that, then only you can understand how the strategy is working. First of all, strategy we have let it go as till the sell exit for this strategy, and previously you can see the target for is 85 as a basic. You can change this target level to whatever you need. So as a basic we have kept as an 85 and stop loss is 220. Before hitting the stop loss, you will be getting a sell exit or a buy exit, so don't need to worry that 220 is stop loss. Before itself you will be getting a sell exit or buy exit at that time itself. Sometimes if there is a big volatile movement, this stop loss will be maintained for you in your demand, so that you can carry on this stop loss. If a big move in the single candle itself is coming, if it is a trap move, so that this stop loss will be helpful. Otherwise the sell exit will be helpful for you. So right now the target is 85 points as the first target. So next targets we have kept as 85 points. So as a basic you can exit with 85 points as a target. So as per this also, the strategy is working very perfectly. Almost the previous video I have shown you a shorts video. In that you can see the strategy is giving 8.7k performance according to 85 points as a target. So if you are working with this strategy, it's a fulfilled result based strategy. So we are seeing the full back test according to the strategy only we are implementing. If you are letting it go until the sell exit or buy exit, then you will be getting 9143 points achieved in Bank Nifty index with just 176 trading days. This is what the result for this strategy right now, and it's just giving 45% accuracy. So the accuracy rate, if you want to increase the accuracy rate, then you can go with the first target itself. You can exit your position, and if you are going with the full target exit, then you can reach 9143 points. So right now, this is what the full indicator fulfilled with the strategy as well as indicator. So whatever the entries you are getting at the time itself you should place. If the sell entry it's come from at the on the starting of the candle itself, it will be coming, so that you can place the order on that candle itself. So once you are placing the order, you should see the current strike price what is going on. So for put option 41,000, whatever at that time itself it will be updating in our strike price table. So this strike price table will be updating each and every candle what is the current strike price according to the day. Also it will be calculating if it is a Wednesday or Thursday weekly expiry, so 200 points ITM. So every calculations we have inbuilt done for the strike price table. So when you are going with the signals, if the sell entry is came, then surely you can go with the strike price for put option at that time itself. What is the strike price you can choose here? 41,800 right now. So if you keep the candle here, for example, so this is what the sell entry came. So this is what the sell entry came, so that the 41,800 is is the correct strike price, so that you can choose and you can buy the option. Otherwise you can go for selling also according to yourself. So right now 41,800 put option, you just buy the option, and according to that you can fix the stop loss and wait until the target of 85 points met in the index, and you can exit your position as a first target. If you are having more than one lot of position, then you can exit your one lot in a first target, and you can trail the remaining position for the second target, third target also. So this is what our indicator is working perfectly. According to our indicator, the strategy is also combined, and the indicator is also combined right now. So it will be more easy for each and every traders. So if you want to get access, WhatsApp us right now on 7200555708. Thank you, traders.